Hello folks, Nick the Forester here. Got home a little bit early today. Not early work day, but got home early, went to work at about 4:10 this morning, 4:15. So got off a little bit earlier than normal. So I figured let's try to fire this A50 up and at least let it try to run a little bit. Try to start breaking in. I don't think those will go nowhere. So did have a little bit of gas in the carb, or in the fuel tank, but I don't know if it's got any in the carb. So let's see. Yeah, something's going on with our what's it called? Choke it out a little more. Go. We're gonna have to restring this line, this, what's it called? I think our recoil is spring is broke. Let's give it a little bit more fuel or air. Start it there. Come on now. We got a fire for a second. Come on now. Give it just a touch more air. Give it a touch more fuel. There we go. I think we need to give it a little less fuel. Or a little more airflow. There we go. Let's try that. got an air leak. You see when I leaned it up on in, he went all wonky with us. Plus, our adjuster unrattled out. So I put that guy back in. But there's a first fire, so now we got a little bit of air leak. I'm gonna guess on the flywheel side. That's what it seems like. Have to get another nut for that. I don't know if it actually had a nut for it, but there's the first fire on it. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll get it worked out. There's always a few kinks with these. Just because you put new seals in something don't mean it's going to be perfect, but compression's already coming up, rings are already seating, so that's a good sign. I bet that recoil, the spring's bad in it. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you don't mind, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks, y'all.